Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and review into Huck's World. And today we got a nice analog watch face to check out by Partridge. Now this is a Lumin watch face. The guy always gets down on these watch faces. I thought he did a good job. This cost me 99 cents in the Gear Manager store, so I need for you to hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if this was a download or leave it right where it's at. The name of the watch face is called Lumin Ambassador Holiday. Now right now, this is in the AOD mode, right? Very nice, I like this look. Now, I wish it was able to give a digital time in the AOD mode. Now, when the watch face is on, this is what it looks like. Now the hands look nice. I do like the hands. I do like the style of this watch face. Very straight to the point. You're going to get the day of the week at the top, your month and your date down at the bottom. This is not a bad look for a simple watch face, and it is not interactive at all for the 99 cents that I paid for it. But I thought it was a good look. Again, at the end of the day, people, it is all about you. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. Okay, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.